Hey guys, welcome back to another GeoGuessr video. I'm Level Up Luke. We're doing duels today. I'm still gold 3. Teetering on promotion potentially. So let's see how this video goes. Couple days left until actual ranks are determined. Sun's in the south, so we're northern hemisphere. The greenery is looking kind of EU, to be honest. Maybe even Scandinavian. I'm not actually recognising the EU plate just there. I thought that was a Canadian flag for a second. 2UB though. What is this? Patase? Sarentari? Absolutely no idea. I'm really not sure here. Definitely seems like English speaking, but obviously that could be like, it's definitely like Scandinavia, or maybe like Netherlands or something. I'm not sure right now. I think I'm just gonna go Sweden because it kind of covers off all the different areas of Scandinavia and kind of near to Netherlands. It was Finland, it looks like, just on the border. Not a terrible guess, and somehow I'm 400 points up there. Not complaining. We got Cyrillic here. What looks like an army base or something. I don't think that's going to be EU then. I would guess like somewhere random in Russia. Maybe Kazakhstan actually. Let's see. It was Kazakhstan, so I'm actually correct country, and so did they, which is interesting. That was kind of a weird shout for me. What does that say? Pariso. Sun's in the north or above us, I guess. I think in South America. This looks like Spanish. Cambadero Beach. I think that said. Not sure. Let's keep looking. Costa del Sol Resort. So somewhere that presumably English people go. Brazil. Yeah, Brazil. Where are we going to be in Brazil? Costa del Sol. I'm thinking it's going to be coastal. Let's just whack it there. I'm not too sure exactly where it's going to be, so might as well just whack it. 2023. Probably says it somewhere here. Salao de Festas. Piscina maybe? They didn't actually even go Brazil. That's crazy. They went, maybe they were too late, a bit like I did yesterday. Sun is in the south, so northern hemisphere. Oh, I should look at that. EU plate. I'm actually going to go back to look at that text. Where was it? Not gonna be able to find it now. Oh well. I'm not sure. I would quite like to see something that told me it's definitely EU. That's alright. At least I'm not going to get wiped out here, hopefully. Given like Portugal, if I had to guess. Maybe Madeira. Seeing nothing helpful here. Come on game, give me something. I need the wins. There's a chance I actually get promoted this week, which is insane. Because if you check my first video when I got to gold, I mean, I was struggling. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna go Portugal. No, let's go Porto, just to be different. Yeah, I mean, my first video, oh, it was rough. I was just crying every game. No, I did win a couple, but it was difficult for sure. It's definitely a transition between silver and gold. He went Croatia. It was Romania. 2k points, man, that is rough. Rough. Let's give it Asia. I actually like to go that way, please. Yeah, this is looking like Sri Lanka or something. Just off the greenery. Red dirt. Once I'm out from these trees, I'll check the sun. It's in the southern hemisphere, right, northern hemisphere, because the sun is in the south. Huh. That does line up actually with Sri Lanka. I don't know if that looks Sri Lankan or not. I don't think so. I think that's more like Thai. Yeah, I don't know. That could be Indian, could be Thai, to my knowledge at least. Let's see here. 1.5x damage. It was India. Man, I swear I've been close every round apart from one, and he's somehow destroying me. A lot of rubbish. Potentially India. It's English speaking though. Not English speaking, but it's not. Oh, there's a flag there. White and blue with a star on it. See, I would say Guatemala, but I'm pretty sure that's not part of Street View. I'm actually just gonna go for the one that's up here. One of these is in, I think it's Belize. But this is giving Guatemala, or one of these kind of countries, for sure. Spanish speaking between South America and Mexico. Yeah, just go for it. Ganja. What? Interesting. It was Panama. That definitely wasn't a Panama flag, but whatever. I mean, it does have the blue and the star, and the white, I suppose. Sun's in the north, so it's southern hemisphere. This is given Africa, or Asia. Indonesia. Just go Jakarta. It's boring, but it works. Can be over here. I did have it there yesterday, and I thought it was Philippines, I think. Let's see. Whoa, they went Brazil. Oh, and I've smashed it. That's a good win. Yeah, GG, man. G freaking G. I'll take that. Huge. That should put me in promotion. Wow, that puts me into 6th place. I'm in the green. Wow. Okay, we'll keep going. I've only played 16 games and I've won 8. So 50% win rate is impressive. I'm pretty proud of that, to be honest. I've only just... How is my moving rating higher than my overall when I've never played no move? That's probably why, actually. Washington Road, 1/5 of a mile. Speed limit, though, we're definitely in America. Where, though, is the question. Oh, sorry. Really itchy head. I'm just never going to find out. It's definitely America. It's very green. I'm going to go West Virginia. I have no idea. And I'm not going to find out, so guess quick in case they know America better than I do, you know? Let's see. Hopefully it's not this very far side. It was in between us, wow. That was actually really close. Considering it's America. We were only 18 kilometers off between our guesses. Okay. EU. So that should just be Northern Hemisphere. I want to see that van. Okay, let's just go. Give me some text, please. Not seeing anything. Diagonal Ag Austria. Gonna go down I'm gonna go up here, actually. I mean, this could be a truck from anywhere, to be honest, but now definitely feels like Austria. It was Germany. I'm glad I went to the northwestern area rather than Vienna. Would have been a bit further away. Just given South America, Southern Hemisphere, yep. If I had to guess right now, probably Colombia. But they're very difficult to tell apart straight away. Got a motorbike. People look kind of Asian actually. This could be, yeah, India, I think. Catch up with this bus. Nippon Cement. Tokyo Cement Group. Nippon Cement. Seems relatively built up. Where do these people all get their signs from? It's really interesting that there's so many signs in like developing countries. I know this isn't like the worst, but they always have like really good signs. I think in India. Just gonna whack it there. Was Sri Lanka this time? If I had seen some text, would have been good. Oh, let me just turn this camera a little bit. There we go. Okay. What do we have on here? Craftswagen Service. .de. Just gonna go Stuttgart. Oh, that's actually a terrible guess, but whatever. It was just up here near Heidenheim, or Hanover rather. Yeah, we both knew it was Germany. Quick guess, you know. Sun is in the north. Gonna go this way. Colombia, or is that Chile? I think it's Chile. I might have done myself in here, but game's the game. Let's hope CL is Chile and not Colombia. Considering they went there too. That's good. This has been a low point game so far. We've both actually been evenly close, which is nice to see. Sun's in the east, not very useful. Very barren. This looks EU though. Yellow line down the middle with a secondary yellow line, which is weird. Or at least to me, in the UK. I don't know about the rest of EU. Oh, now it gets very dry. This could be Australia. I was initially thinking EU. That 2x damage, I can't risk it. I can risk it. That might be a terrible guess. I love to do them. They don't work very often, but we move. Come on, please be Australia. I mean, I don't have the sun to help, but neither do they. Let's see. They went US. Oh my god, they've absolutely smashed it. Fair play. They honestly deserve it there. I'll give it to them. They can have that one. That was a deserved win. I shouldn't have gone rogue with it, but not a lot I could do right there. We've got a German called Sahara. 26% guessed first. Sun, yeah, not useful. Very woodland. Am I actually going to be able to find any text here? Ooh. That looks like Thai or something. I'm going to go Bangladesh. I'm going to go down there because I think it could be Thailand or India. So I'm right down the middle, and if they haven't found any text, I'm in the money here. So let's see. Come on. Ah, Whoa, they did well. It was Bhutan. Only 800 damage, not the worst. We'll definitely take that. Bhutan, that's interesting. I didn't know they had text like that, to be honest. Ooh, what flag is that? Senegal? Yeah, it looks like it. For some reason, it seems to always be here in Senegal. I have had it here before, actually. Down here, I think. But I'm not, hopefully that's not this place here. But it's difficult to read. I'm sure they found it too. They went, it was, I lose there? It was actually down in this area. Oh well, 200 points or so. That's fine. A rift, what does that mean? For some reason it's given Scotland. It's for sure given Scotland with the houses. I'm just gonna go for it. Because I don't really know. I'm gonna go Edinburgh. This just looks really EU, really like Northern English. Well, Scottish, I mean. I mean, look at it. I feel like I've been here. Let's see. They were Midlands, and it was Ireland. Ah, I got them mixed up. That's annoying. I knew it was one of those kind of areas, but so did they. Which is, whoa, this is very scenic. Northern Hemisphere, wow. Up or down? Down's probably better. Come on, let's get moving. I don't think roads like this are very common EU mountains. And I think most of the time I've seen it, it's been US. So I'm inclined to go there now. Although that little bridge, I don't know. It's hard when there's no actual clues to find. Like some text or a road sign would be nice, yeah. 2.7 kilometers, so it's definitely not going to be US. Maybe I'll just whack it like Italy. Who knows? Let's see. Because a few times I've gone Portugal or like UK and then it was Italy or the surrounding areas. So maybe I'm learning from past mistakes. And they've gone Italy too, and it was. Damn, this person's good. They've banged it every time, it seems. Hopefully I can keep up with them. Temo Strango. So it's Christian. I think I'm going to go Philippines. Although in Philippines they speak English, so maybe Brazil. Or they have some English at least. No, it's going to be Brazil. I'm going to go northern Brazil. Up here. Well, I meant more over there, but that's where I've gone now. I almost went Philippines. If I pushed them on that, I would have lost big points. Come on. It was. That's huge. Almost 3k points. We'll definitely take that. I'm actually beating this guy for the first time, I think. Come on. Sun's in the north, so southern hemisphere. We have a follow car. If it's Africa, I think that's Tunisia or Nigeria. Because he's still following. Oh, the guy on the back of there. I'd rather we overtake this bus, please. I can't see anything. Okay, let me see that sign. Fresca. This is a weird one. I really don't know where we're going to be here. It's Southern Hemisphere too. But are we South America? If I had to guess, so yes. But he's not pressing me, so why would I? I've seen Thiago, maybe Brazil. They've got some weird cards here. Let me go back. So I went that way before. Cabanas Parana, 500 meters. Let's go this way for a little bit. See if I can get any other tips. Pacho. Where does Pacho come from? Colombia? Canciera. This could just be Mexico. I'm really confused, man. Okay. Lely. It's Spanish speaking. Definitely could be Mexico. Or Colombia. I think they're both fair shouts. Was that flag? What was that in there? I don't know if that, don't think that's a flag. De Level. Oh, they've probably found out where we are. .com, so I don't think Brazil. I'm thinking Colombia. I have no idea here. Argentina. And they've won. Man, I feel like I could have beaten that guy. But that one was just so difficult. How? Let me know any tips down below for Argentina. Damn, that is a struggle. Also, let me know if you guys are surprised with how my progress is going. Did you guys do this well? I'm sure some of you definitely did. The guys that give me tips, the tips you guys have are crazy. Maybe I need to start watching GeoGuessr content and absorbing some more information, you know? Because I think that's all this is. Sun's in the south, northern hemisphere, non-EUs. Don't look like America though. There's a church there. English speaking. Bayama Bistrila Dej Centru. He's given like Italy or something. What flag is that? Romania, no? Let's check for EU plate. Non-EU though, but that was definitely a Romanian flag. What is that? EU flag. I'm gonna go Romania. There it is. It was over here last time, so I'm just gonna go there again. Although I'm not seeing EU license plates, which kind of makes no sense. But it is what it is. Oh, there's another flag there that didn't look Romanian. They went Bucharest. It was Gerla. Is this guy from Cape Verde? Hopefully it doesn't go there, you know. Lokantazi. It's Turkey. Is that a Turkish flag too? Yes. Konya. Kisney. Are there any good ways to work out where in Turkey you are? Because Turkey's relatively big. I mean, I normally go Antalya just because it's kind of central at the bottom. But it can be Istanbul. This doesn't look like Istanbul. It can be Ankara. Yeah, Kibasi. Like, I don't know if any of these places are the locations in Turkey. But it's definitely built up. I'm gonna go Ankara, I think. Let's look at the size of these buildings. Yeah. Definitely could be Istanbul though. They've got Ankara too. And it was Konya. I thought it was Antalya, but that's a bit further down. There it is. Interesting one. This guy's decent. Sun, if I had to guess, is in the north. Red dirt, southern hemisphere. Doesn't look like Africa. It's giving Bolivia for some reason. I'm gonna go La Paz. Oh no, I'm gonna go Cochabamba. I've heard of that place because of Is it Rainbow? No. Zigzag, I think, always talks about Cochabamba for whatever reason. So if I lose here, it's his fault. Come on. They went Brazil, and it was Brazil. Not too far away. Only 2,000 kilometers. Okay. Sun is straight above. That's not helpful. That looks... That looks Sri Lankan. I'm gonna go lower India to cover it off, but it could also be these kind of countries, I don't know. Could even be Thailand, but there is what looks like a deity there. So I'm thinking India or Sri Lanka maybe. Does Bangladesh also? I don't know. Let's see. They went Thailand and it was... Oh man, that's a bad one. I thought it looked... I did think it looked a bit Thai. That's rough. Oh, I think I've had this one before. I think it was Pakistan. I think it was Lahore. Can you actually get the same places? I feel like I've had this exact one before. I didn't know you could actually, there was actually repeats, because this is an exact location I've had before, I think. So I recognize these weird figures. And I mean, you can tell by the clothing, it's going to be around that area anyway, so this guy shouldn't be too far out. But I am pretty damn close. And that's 4K right there. If I had got the 5K, it would have wiped him out, but... I mean, it was a while ago that I had that one. This is given EU from the grass. I don't know if that's actually a viable play or not. Just from what I've seen, this looks like EU grass. It seems more vibrant, I don't know. Maybe it's the cameras or something. Concrete paving. Oh, we've got a car in front. Okay, first bit of text. Just go here. What? There's more of this? How am I supposed to work it out? I'm gonna go Bangladesh. I'm gonna go down here. I don't know. Oh, it's 2x damage. Oh, this could be bad. This could be terrible. Oh well. Game's the game. We can hope it's Bangladesh. Oh, it was Thailand again, and I'm gonna lose off that. Oh man. I'm not putting a GG for that. That's, it's just Thai every time, man. That's terrible. Let's get another game in. Can't end on a loss, unless this one's a loss. Oh man. Okay, next time I see it, I'm gonna go Thailand, and then it's gonna be Bangladesh. Or some ridiculous place, watch. 510, 65% guessed first, so need to be careful with this guy, that's for sure. This is given UK. It's kind of flat, but we're coastal. I was initially thinking Scandinavian, but then for some reason this is given UK. Oh, where'd that van go? How did we overtake it? O'Donoghue's, this is gonna be Ireland. Gonna go there. O'Donoghue's, there's no way that's not Ireland, right? We're coastal, pretty flat. Yeah, this would make sense. Near Dublin. Let's see. They went Amsterdam. Oh. We don't actually get that much for it. All the way up here. Sun's in the north, southern hemisphere. English speaking. They African maybe? I don't know, could be Asian, could be South American. I don't think it's Australia though right now. English-speaking African country then. Is this card tailing us or maybe? Ah, that's annoying. Sundays Valley, Eastern Cape. Eastern Cape's making me think South Africa. Oh, no way that guy got it that close. He said Eastern Cape. I thought Cape Town was like this big. Oh, I don't know. Ooh, very icy. Could this be Canada or Iceland perhaps? Single yellow line. Very straight road. Definitely could be Canada. Sun's in the south, northern hemisphere. I'm thinking Vancouver. Kilometers. I don't know. This definitely could be Iceland or something. I should have looked for a car perhaps. But I've gone for it. There's no taking it back now. Unless he bangs it, I shouldn't be out here. That's big for me. 2,000. I'm surprised he went all the way over there. But I'm realizing it's generally in the eastern side of Canada. Oh, this is just giving tropical. Nice sky. The sun's in the east, that's not helpful. So is this Asia or South America? That's what we have to work out. It's going to be Thailand. Nong Chok. Yeah, Thailand. Okay, they've guessed. Thinking up there. I couldn't see Nong Chok, unfortunately. Yeah, it's not a big place. 475 for that seems harsh. Oh well. I guess we both came to that flag. Sun is in the south, so northern hemisphere. These look like EU new built houses, maybe Scandi. Could be Danish flag. Ooh, looks like there's more flags here. Fjordjev. Those flags don't look very useful. Frugsen, I'm thinking Denmark. For sure. A load of red. Yeah, let's just go Denmark. Just gonna go Copenhagen. Let's go, that's huge. 1,500. The guy's got 1,100 left. If I lose at this one, then I'm just fumbling today. And I need to retire. EU plate, Eastern Europe. Let's try and find some text here. So Cyrillic with numbers. I'm thinking Russia. No, it's EU. North Macedonia. I don't know, I went Bulgaria last minute. Then went Ukraine and it was Bulgaria. That should be enough. There we go. Come on. 20 game limit for the week. That's not good. I'll get my dailies in, but 942. Is that realistically going to be enough to keep me in promotion? Probably not. It wasn't in silver, so I'd be happy to stay middle of the pack this time though. Definitely shouldn't be getting demoted. I mean, these guys have no points. Nil points. Alright, that was a decent little video ending on a win. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Level Up Luke. Peace.